Magko-close na po ito, mag-enroll na kayo as in now na. Why is social media management and marketing becoming a popular choice for people who wants to transition to freelancing or those who wants to start working from home? Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day, nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos sa pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Narinig nyo na ba yung salitang gusto kong maging social media manager or gusto ko maging SMM kasi pa-Facebook lang yon? If yes, tapusin nyo tong video na to, tapos saka nyo sabihin ulit sa akin if madali nga lang ba talaga ang ginagawa ng isang SMM. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of social media management and marketing. Sa pros, kung gumagamit ka ng Facebook, kung napanood mo to sa TikTok, kung ikaw ay marunong gumamit ng Instagram or overall, active ka sa social media accounts mo, then perhaps marunong ka na kung paano mag-engage by commenting, liking, sharing posts. And isa to sa mga ginagawa ng social media managers. Kung marunong kang mag-post, ibig sabihin kaya mong gawin yun for clients mo. And it's very easy to navigate kasi yung mga social media platforms, they're created talaga para mas maging user-friendly. Ayan. Now, cons naman tayo. A lot of people wants to start working as a social media manager or wanna do social media marketing. Pero ang fear nila is that, number one, you're not creative enough. You're not even sure if you can create photos or videos that will attract the audience. And isa to sa mga bagay na lagi kong sinasabi na pwede mong pag-aralan kung gusto mo talaga. Now, remember going back, sabi ko sa inyo, merong iba't ibang skill set na pwede mong tanungin yung sarili mo kung kaya mo ba. We have admin, creative, tech, support, and sales. If ang sagot mo is marunong kang gumawa ng admin, marunong ka rin ng a little bit of creatives, nag-i-edit ka ng bahagyang-bahagyan ng photos or videos para sa sarili mong social media accounts, or may experience ka for support. Whether supporting an e-commerce business or nag-online selling ka or you're, alam mo yung may experience ka na mag-assist ng mga customers, then perhaps social media management and marketing is for you. The rest would be swift, easy, just because you will learn along the way. There are a lot of free resources na patututo ka ng SMM, and one of the gaps na gusto naming i-bridge dito sa Blogging Mary Group at sa training program namin is yung pinakang laging hinahanap pagka ikaw ay mag-SMM ay results. What have you done so far for your clients? Because of that, we came up with our social media management and marketing level 3 na meron pong kasamang 2 weeks na internship where you will be working with clients' accounts na pwede nyo idagdag sa inyong portfolio. Sa Sunday ng class neto, 1 till 9 p.m. So if you guys want to join, magko-close na po talaga siya. 999 pesos lang siya. Again, 1 day yung live na class, 2 weeks yung internship. Flexible naman yung schedule as long as may output kayo na may ibigay na nakabase dun sa deadline nung pag-i-internshipan ninyo. And at the same time, you'll still go through the same process. Bago kayo i-certify, you have mock interview, you have application book, you have final activity, and you have your one-on-one with me. Plus, we will review everything that you have on your application book. If you guys wanna join, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, alam nyo na, dyan lang siya. Kung nasa Facebook kayo, check nyo na lang yung caption. At kung sa YouTube nyo to napapanood, check nyo naman yung description box. You will then be taken to this page where you will see SMM Level 3. I-click nyo lang po yan. Oh, heads up. Ang dami nagsasabi minsan na action can't be completed. Kung action can't be completed, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook kasi nandun yung direct link ng form. Ukira? Again, this class is on Sunday na 1 till 9 p.m. Sa mamang tatanong, paano po kung hindi available sa Sunday? Recorded po yung class. Bibigyan kayo ng copy after 1 to 2 days. At pagkatapos, you guys can also join the next class kung ma-plot na namin siya. Hindi pa lang namin ma-identify kasi yung schedule namin, alam nyo na yan. Matik na yan. Yung schedule namin, di namin alam pa kung fix na yung August, but we're planning on opening this as a semi-regular class that we will have kasi pasok din siya sa e-commerce namin, and yung e-commerce talaga yung isa sa mga primary industry na sinaservice ng agency namin. Ulit ko,